Here's the Satnam about spiritual awakening. Satnam meaning truth. This is a winding path. This is a place where you get to experience and explore the depths of who you are. And sometimes that requires a lot of emotional attention. This meditation is very comforting, it's soothing. So when you're having a hard time, when you're working through the thick of it, this is the meditation to bring you back into your emotional balance, to give you a little secret escape valve, to let the steam off so that your emotions can still feel safe for you to explore and to experience. Before we begin, you need to do this. Grab some water. Remember that we are, is it 70%, 80% water? So not having enough water inside your system will definitely cause you to be more emotionally unbalanced. So go grab that glass of water now and chug it down. And then join me. Let's begin our meditation. Find a comfortable cross-legged position or sit up in a chair as I'm doing now. Press your palms together at the center of your chest. Lift your shoulders, lift your chin, close your eyes. A quick way to tune in. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Beautiful. All right. It starts with a mudra and a seated position. All right, so open your palms and tuck your palms, open palms underneath your armpits. And then hug everything real close. So hug yourself as if you received the best hug of your life, and hold yourself steady, because that's really what this is all about, is containing ourselves and feeling safe. Drop your chin towards your chest, close your eyes, and breathe. We're here for just about 3 minutes. Elbows and shoulders rise up, and in this tightly held position, breathe. Keep holding. Just about a minute left. Slowly, gently, gracefully relax everything down. Relax your shoulders down, relax your hands down. Relax. Notice how you're feeling now. If there was something pressing on your mind, that it may have departed by now. And that's a good thing. Give yourself some space to rest, to relax, to go at it differently. My name is Salimah, a yoga therapist. I'm here to support. If you're looking for more information and we can get a little more in contact with each other, check out my website and look for a numerology session, or even think about yoga teacher training, because that's how we really fully progress, is when we have the support of a loving group of people around us. Satnam, until next time.